8 states: Arizona, California, Connecticut, Indiana, New Mexico, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Utah. And the deadliest animal in all of them is a venomous snake. The specific species changes by state. Arizona and New Mexico deal with the western diamondback rattlesnake, one of the most venomous pit vipers in North America. California has its own rattlesnake populations across the state. Connecticut and Indiana sit in timber rattlesnake and eastern copperhead territory. Oklahoma and South Dakota, western rattlesnakes. Utah has multiple venomous species across its desert and mountain regions. What makes them dangerous is the venom delivery. These snakes don't chase people, but when they feel cornered or stepped on, the bite is fast and the venom works on tissue and the nervous system simultaneously. Nationally, the US sees around 7,000 to 8,000 venomous snake bites every year. About 5 of those end in death. Low number, but in these 8 states, nothing else came close to topping it. Hawaii's deadliest animal is the tiger shark. It's the second largest predatory shark in the world, reaching up to 14 feet and over 1,000 pounds. Tiger sharks are apex predators, and they're not selective. They'll investigate almost anything in the water, which is what makes them uniquely dangerous compared to most shark species that tend to avoid humans. Hawaii averages between 4 and 8 shark attacks per year, with tiger sharks responsible for the majority of fatal encounters. For a state that's entirely surrounded by ocean and where water activity is a daily part of life, that number is real and consistent. Delaware's deadliest animal isn't a predator in the traditional sense. The Portuguese man-o'-war is a marine organism that floats on the surface of coastal water. It isn't actually a jellyfish. It's a colony of individual organisms working together, and its tentacles can stretch up to 30 feet below the surface. The danger comes from contact with those tentacles. The venom causes intense pain, can trigger cardiac complications in some cases, and, critically, the tentacles remain active and venomous even after the creature is dead and washed up on shore. People get stung touching what looks like harmless debris on the beach. Fatalities are rare but documented, and Delaware's coastal exposure makes it the top animal-related cause of death in the state.
Idaho and Montana, grizzly bear.
The grizzly is one of the largest land predators in North America, reaching up to 800 pounds, with a bite force around 975 pounds per square inch and a running speed of 35 miles per hour. They are not aggressive by default. Most encounters happen when a bear is surprised, when a mother is protecting cubs, or when a person gets between a bear and a food source. When an attack does happen, the size and strength of a grizzly makes survival without intervention unlikely. The Greater Yellowstone ecosystem, which covers Idaho and Montana, records between 1 and 3 fatal grizzly attacks most years. It's a low number, but in these 2 states, nothing else produces a higher fatality count from direct animal contact. Oregon and Washington. Cougar, also called mountain lion or puma. Cougars are the largest wildcat in North America, and they're ambush predators, which means by design, you won't know one is near you until it acts. They stalk from elevated positions, ridge lines, rock outcroppings, tree cover, and they follow targets quietly before making contact. Attacks on humans are uncommon but consistent. The Pacific Northwest has recorded multiple cougar attacks over the past 2 decades, and cougar territory now overlaps significantly with suburban edges in both states. Hikers and trail runners are the most common victims because the movement pattern of running triggers the chase instinct. These 2 states have no animal with a higher fatality record from direct attack. Florida, Louisiana, and South Carolina. American alligator. Alligators can reach up to 14 feet and weigh over 1,000 pounds, with a bite force of around 2,125 pounds per square inch, one of the strongest bite forces of any animal alive. They're ambush predators that wait partially submerged at the water's edge, and they move fast in short bursts on land. What makes them particularly dangerous in these 3 states is proximity. Alligators live in every body of water: natural lakes, canals, retention ponds, golf course water features, neighborhood drainage basins. Florida averages around 7 unprovoked attacks per year, with 25 documented fatalities since 1948. Louisiana and South Carolina carry similar patterns at lower volumes. In all 3 states, the water near you is shared with this animal. Alaska, Colorado, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, moose. The moose is the largest member of the deer family, standing up to 7 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 1,500 pounds. The way moose kill people isn't through predation, it's through vehicle collisions. Moose are tall enough that their body mass sits above a car's hood, meaning in a collision, the animal comes through the windshield rather than going under the vehicle. That makes moose strikes significantly more fatal than deer collisions. Alaska alone recorded 17 fatal moose vehicle collisions in a 10-year period. In all 5 of these states, moose-related deaths consistently outnumber fatalities from every other animal combined. They're not dangerous because they hunt, they're dangerous because of where they live and how they move through it. Wyoming. Bison. The American bison is the heaviest land animal in North America, reaching up to 2,000 pounds and capable of running at 35 miles per hour. They look slow and passive from a distance, which is where the danger comes from. People underestimate how quickly a bison can close ground and how little it takes to trigger a charge. Bison injure more people in Yellowstone National Park than any other animal. Deaths are rare but documented, and in Wyoming specifically, direct bison encounters produce more human fatalities than any wild predator in the state. New Jersey and North Carolina. Black bear. Black bears are smaller than grizzlies, but they're large, strong, and increasingly present in suburban areas of both states. New Jersey has one of the densest black bear populations in the eastern United States, and North Carolina's Asheville region is considered one of the highest urban bear density areas in the country. Black bears are generally avoidant of humans, but as development pushes into bear territory and bears associate residential areas with food, encounters are becoming more frequent and more serious. Both states record more fatal bear incidents than any other animal on an annual basis. Nevada. The Arizona bark scorpion. It's the most venomous scorpion in the United States. Small, pale, and difficult to spot, it tends to shelter in cool, dark spaces, under rocks, inside shoes, behind baseboards. It's commonly found inside homes across the region. The venom attacks the nervous system and causes intense pain, numbness, and in severe cases, particularly in young children, the elderly, or people with compromised immune systems, it can be fatal without treatment. The Arizona Poison Center handles roughly 12,000 bark scorpion stings a year. Nevada's proximity to the scorpion's primary range makes it the state's leading animal-related fatality cause. Alabama, Georgia, Michigan, Mississippi, Ohio, and the deadliest animal in all 5 of these states is the domestic dog. Dogs kill people through direct attacks. The victims are most often children under 10 and adults over 65. The dogs involved are most frequently strays, neglected animals, or dogs kept in conditions that reinforce aggressive behavior. Nationally, between 30 and 50 people die from dog attacks every year in the United States, and that number has been trending upward. In each of these 5 states, no wild animal, no snake, no predator, nothing produces a higher human fatality count than the domestic dog. Massachusetts and Wisconsin. Ticks. Specifically, ticks as vectors for Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and other tick-borne illnesses that can be fatal when undetected or untreated. The tick itself doesn't kill through venom or physical attack. It kills through disease transmission during a bite that most people don't feel and many don't notice. Lyme disease left untreated progresses to affect the heart, joints, and nervous system. Wisconsin recorded over 10 tick-related fatalities between 2015 and 2018. Massachusetts has some of the highest Lyme disease transmission rates in the country. In both states, ticks kill more people every year than any predator on record. Kentucky, domestic cattle. This is one of the most consistently surprising answers on this list. The CDC documented that cattle are responsible for more human deaths in Kentucky than any other animal, with most fatalities caused by blunt force trauma, being charged, kicked, or crushed in enclosed spaces like barns and pens. Cattle are large animals. A full-grown bull can weigh over a ton, and when one charges in a confined space, there is nowhere to move. The most common victims are agricultural workers, most of them men over 65. Nationally, cattle cause around 22 deaths per year. In Kentucky, a farming-heavy state with significant cattle populations, this number consistently tops the charts. Texas. Fire ants. The red imported fire ant is invasive, aggressive, and now established across the entire state of Texas. Fire ants don't sting once, they sting repeatedly, injecting venom multiple times in a single encounter. For most people, the result is pain and swelling. But for people with an allergy to the venom, and many people don't know they have this allergy until first exposure, a fire ant attack can trigger anaphylactic shock, which is fatal without immediate treatment. Fire ant attacks in Texas are not rare incidents, they're routine. And in a state most people associate with rattlesnakes and alligators, the fire ant produces more human fatalities annually than either. Iowa, Maryland, New York, Pennsylvania, Tennessee. Bees, wasps, and hornets. The mechanism here is the same as fire ants, venom-triggered anaphylaxis. The difference is that bees and wasps are present in every environment in every season from spring through fall, and the stings happen without warning during ordinary daily activity. Pennsylvania recorded 58 deaths from stings between 2001 and 2013 alone. New York, with the highest population density of any state, sees consistent annual fatalities from sting-related anaphylaxis. In all 5 of these states, no wild predator comes close to the annual death toll produced by something most people wave away without thinking about. In the last answer, the one covering more states than anything else on this list: Arkansas, Illinois, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, North Dakota, Rhode Island, Virginia, West Virginia. 10 states, and the deadliest creature in all 10 of them is the white-tailed deer. The white-tailed deer is not a predator, it's not venomous, it has no mechanism of attack. What it does is cross roads, often at night, often without warning, and at highway speeds, a collision with a deer is frequently fatal to the driver. Deer are responsible for over 440 human deaths in the United States every single year. That number is consistent year over year, and it is higher than every other animal on this list combined. Deer still win. It is the single deadliest animal in America, and it's not close. 50 states, 16 animals, and the one with the highest body count in the country wasn't the predator anyone had in mind. This is Fauna America. Real numbers, real animals, every state. We'll see you in the next one.